Hey guys, my name is Modified, and today I'm gonna be doing a blindfold toolbox challenge. So I'm gonna be blindfolded, and let's see what happens. Okay, let's go. So, yeah, tell me if I hit it or not. So, let's go. Okay. Did I hit it? Hey, did I hit it? Okay. I'm gonna check the video afterwards, see if I hit it. And yes. So I don't know if I hit it, so yeah. I think I hit it. We hooked up. Boom! Okay. Next attempt. This time we're gonna do a babona. I'm going cocky. Oh! Oh! What's this? That definitely hit. That definitely hit. We're going again. We're going again. Okay. Last shot. Let's smash it. So, I don't know where the ball went. I think I lost it. So, yeah. We'll see you guys next time. Peace!